Hello guys, welcome back to the White Hawk 80s. Here is my cat. He is really cute and he is the best. I love him so much. And today, look at his face. Look. You always have those eyes. Hey! Don't attack me. Okay, that was just a little video. I'll see you guys later. And I've only got 5 followers, so go and check me out on Jake Whitehawk, no spaces, on TikTok if you can. So yeah. And follow Whitehawk 80. And yeah. That's it. Dexter wants to say one more thing, don't you? Yeah. What do you want to say? Don't forget and like, subscribe. Ah. So, he wants you to like and subscribe, he said. And one more time, thank you to all the fans who have been subscribing and liking. And Dexter the cat, that's his name, Dexter. Yeah, he's playing. See? He's playing. Oh, you like it? Well, that's the end of the video. I hope you're having a good day, and yeah, I'll see you later. And yeah.